walk away from you in my high heels, feeling the skin peel off my not-so-dainty feet. Isn't that sweet? The silver trees you spin from your tongue run like music sung from up on high, and not even I can deny or refute the absolute truth that slips from your lips. Do I disapprove of the moves I myself move to, knowing that you do it too? I know I hate the state you leave me in, grieving for the we that can never be you, me. The breath of your kiss hissed across my cheek, red color rising to prove that I am weak to your presence. Since when did this begin? Envy does not become me as I walk away from you.
Finally!
Excuse me? What the hell are you? Because talking to me like that. What are you doing? Calm down. What?
Don't run from me.
What?
Don't run from me.
What is wrong with you? I told you not to come up on stage and bother me.
I've been following you for so long, like...
What? Help!